recording. Phone connected.
All right, you on there, Steph? Steph, you on there? Well, tap it twice.
You back?
I'm back.
Okay.
I had to format the SD card. Had to format that SD card.
All right.
Woo! Well, we'll get ready to jump off of Highway 1 onto the turnpike here, Stephanie.
Is this like close to Miami?
Yeah.
Like about to hit the Miami shit?
Not the shit, but we, I guess about 20 miles from Miami.
Okay.
1248. We should be able to get through there. That little Egypt, y'all.
What's up, world?
Don't never say you can't travel on the RS Can-Am 5-speed manual.
All right. Y'all ready? Here we go.
Hey, hey, hey.
Lappydog.
And I'm gonna sing a song for you.
It's Lappydog.
Tell you a thing or two. You'll have fun now with me and all the gang. Learning from each other while we do our thing.
I'll call you a lie.
It can be done.
She just did it. Over 1,000 miles, one way. Unfortunately, we got to go home. Lord, I don't want to leave this doggone beachy weather. I don't want to go. Got to pay for this stuff.
Yeah.
If I had a chance to live in Florida, I don't know if I want to live this far south. Well, anywhere within an hour or so from a beach is all right with me. Here we go. Florida Turnpike northbound, Orlando, Miami.
Do this.
Aye. Oh, I guess I better slow down for Kevin. I done got in the zone. I forgot about Kevin. Would like to stay around 72, 75.
Oh, we do?
Yeah, with that trailer on top of a trailer.
Okay.
And you can see 72, you ain't passing nobody.
So he's taking it steady and then what? How he gonna come back and get it?
Yeah, he'll come back in a truck and pull it both back. That way he won't tear his transmission up or have to deal with all that kind of shit, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I let him think about it. I told him think about it before you make a decision. he gave his clothes to Rodney, so he got some weight out of it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh. I heard oh shit, about to lose that lane. When you look in that mirror, you can damn sure tell where Kevin had that wide hips on him.
Yeah.
Huh.
I just hate they don't have no brake lights on.
Yeah, I about ran the back of it. When he was in front of me, I didn't know what he gonna do. I couldn't see nothing. You gonna blame it on Kevin K?
Yeah, blame it on Kevin K.
Last time, Stephanie, we stayed down here in Cutler Bay with a Hooter.
Uh-huh.
It's where we stayed about 20 miles from downtown Hope.
Yeah, that's where we...
Uh-huh. Down here in Cutler Bay.
Yeah, because that's where we dropped the trailers and drove down to South Beach.
Right. Oh, yeah.
I was a passenger.
Yeah, he was a daggum backpack. They call them backpacks. So he could come. Make sure you bring your pocketbook with you. Bring your pocketbook. What did you do to tap in there, Hope? You just hit the button twice? I guess you tapped out. Hey, you, Hope?
Yeah, I think, yeah. I don't hear no crackling.
Okay. Cutler Bay.
Oh, yeah, it had that little...
Alright, we done made it to the... We are north. Well, I guess this is West Palm Beach. Getting some fuel. And I have been informed, I think the high test is $4.69 a gallon. Woo-hoo. $4.69 a gallon. Gotta have it though. I don't know.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'm ready.